வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ.
ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 1 Advent of the Europeans lesson book exercise, question and answer, map work and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Option A, Vasco da Gama. Option B, Bartholomew Dias. Option C, Alfonso de Albuquerque. Option D, Almeida. Here the correct answer is option C, Alfonso de Albuquerque. Second one, which of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover a sea route to India? Option A, Dutch. Option B, Portugal. Option C, France. Option D, Britain. So here the correct answer is option B, Portugal. Third one, in 1453, Constantinople was captured by Daesh. Option A, the French. Option B, the Turks. Option C, the Dutch. Option D, the British. Here the correct answer is option B, the Turks. Fourth one, Sir William Hawkins belonged to Daesh. Option A, Portugal. Option B, Spain. Option C, England. Option D, France. Here the correct answer is option C, England. Fifth one, the first fort constructed by the British in India was Daesh. Option A, Fort William. Option B, Fort St. George. Option C, Agra Fort. Option D, Fort St. David. Here the correct answer is option B, Fort St. George. It is in Chennai. Sixth one, who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? Option A, the British. Option B, the French. Option C, the Danes. Option D, the Portuguese. Here the correct answer is option B, the French. Seventh one, Tranquebar on the Tamil Nadu coast was a trade center of the Dash. Option A, the Portuguese. Option B, the British. Option C, the French. Option D, the Danish. Here the correct answer is option D, the Danish. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, National Archives of India, that is NAI, is located in Dash. The answer is New Delhi. Second one, Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by Dash. The answer is King John II. Third one, the printing press in India was set up by the Dash at Goa in 1556. The answer is Portuguese. Fourth one, the Mughal Emperor Dash permitted the English to trade in India. The answer is Jahangir. Fifth one, the French East India Company was formed by Dash. The answer is Colbert. Sixth one, Dash, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. The answer is Christian IV. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, the Dutch, 1602. Second, the British, 1600. Number 3, the Danish, 1616. Number 4, the French, 1664. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, autobiography is one of the written sources. The answer is true. Second one, coins are one of the material sources. The answer is true. Third one, Anandarangam was a translator served under British. The answer is false because he served under French. Fourth one, The place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. The answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. Statement 1. Governor Nino de Cunha moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Statement 2. Portuguese were the last to leave from in India. Statement 3. The Dutch founded their first factory at Surat. Statement 4. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir's court by King James I of England. Option A, 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, 2 and 4 are correct. Option C, 3 is correct. Option D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. So here the correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. That is statement 1, statement 2 and 4 are correct. Find out the wrong pair. Option A, Francis Day, Denmark. Option B, Pedro Cabral, Portugal. Option C, Captain Hawkins, Britain. Option D, Colbert, France. So here the wrong pair is option A, Francis Day, Denmark. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Give a short note on archives. Question number 2. Write about the importance of coins. Question number 3. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Question number 4. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. Question number 5. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. Seventh Roman letter, answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Give an account of the sources of modern India. So we should write about the written sources and material sources. Question number 2. How did the Portuguese establish their trading centers in India? Question number 3. How did the British establish their trading centers in India? Eighth Roman letter, map skill. Question number 1. On the river map of India, mark the following trade centers of the Europeans. Number 1, Calicut. Number 2, Cochin. Number 3, Madras. Number 4, Pondicherry. Number 5, Surat. Number 6, Chinsura. Number 7, Pulicat. Number 8, Calcutta. Ninth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. Question number 1. How did the fall of Constantinople affect the European nations? 10th Roman letter, student activity. Question number 1. Prepare a chart on the kinds of sources of modern India. Now let us see some additional questions for competitive exams. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one. The dash of India attracted Europeans to this country. The answer is wealth. Second one. Ananda Ranga's dash reveal his profound capacity for political judgment. The answer is diaries. Third one. The first issue of the calendar of Madras records was published in dash. The answer is 1917. Fourth one. Dash helped to preserve and promote our cultural heritage. The answer is museums. Fifth one. The National Museum in Dash is the largest museum in India. The answer is Delhi. Sixth one. The Reserve Bank of India was formally set up in Dash. The answer is 1935. Seventh one. The first paper currency was issued by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, in Dash. The answer is 1938. Eighth one. After the capture of Constantinople by the Turks, the land route between India and Dash was closed. The answer is Europe. Ninth one. Bartholomew Dias was patronized by King Dash. The answer is John II. 10th one. Dash maintained friendly relations with Vijayanagar Empire. The answer is Alfonso de Albuquerque. 11th one. The dash brought the cultivation of tobacco to India. The answer is Portuguese. 12th one. Due to the influence of the Portuguese, dash religion spread in India's western and eastern coast. The answer is Catholic. 13th one. The dash followed the Portuguese into India. The answer is Dutch. 14th one. The Dutch shifted the headquarters from Pulicat to dash in 1690. The answer is Nagapattinam. 15th one. The Dutch was completely wiped out by the year 1795. Fill in the blanks. First one. The Europeans came to know about the wealth of India from the accounts of dash. The answer is Marco Polo. Second one. Dash was a translator to assist French trade in India. The answer is Anandarangam. Third one. Tamil Nadu archives as Dutch records which relate to dash and coast. Answer is Cochin and Coromandel coast. Fourth one. Dash prepared the first issue of the calendar of Madras records. The answer is Dogville. Fifth one. The dash was empowered to issue Government of India notes. The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Sixth one. The first paper currency issued by RBI bore the portrait of dash. Answer is King George VI. Seventh one. Fort Dash was built by the British in Kadalur. The answer is St. Davis. Eighth one. Dash, a Portuguese sailor, reached the southernmost point of Africa in 1487. The answer is Bartholomew Dias. Ninth one. Vasco da Gama sailed from Dash to India. The answer is Mozambique. 10th one. In 1548, the Portuguese occupied Dash. The answer is Salsette.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.